Hi, I'm Chris Irick, the Worldwide Product Marketing Manager for the Xerox Rialto 900 Inkjet Press. Have a minute? I'd like to show you what it takes to load a narrow web roll. Start by splicing and removing the previous roll. Insert the core into the new roll and inflate. Load the roll into the press with or without the included web card. Lift the roll into position. Splice the web and jog the splice slowly through the press. And that's how you load a narrow web roll on the Xerox Rialto 900 Inkjet Press. It takes roughly about 5 to 10 minutes to do, but simple enough to show you in just a minute.